Lastly, we're going to look at how to change system time. Some people don't know where time is on the computer. In fact, they may be asked, what's the time by your computer? And they don't know where to look. They start looking everywhere. Now we find the time here, time and date, just in the notification area here. And you can also click on it. Then you see the whole calendar. You can even go back in previous months, or you can come down to next month. For example, maybe the school has told you that you will have holidays in, let's say, uh, December 20th, and you want to know when will December 20th be. So it will be a Friday. So this is also a quick way of knowing the date. I'm going to click on this so that I go back to the today's date. So you just click on this one, then you go back to today's date. I'm going to assume this date is wrong and the time, and I want to set it properly. Where do I go? Again, you come back to search area, then date. Type the keyword is date. Now, when you write time, sometimes it may not show. I've noticed this with some computers. Now here it has shown, but sometimes it may not. So, but at least if you type a date, it always shows. The icon wants date and time settings. So the keyword is date. Then I'm going to click on it and it comes back to the settings window. Now, many times you will find this button on and this one on. If these two buttons are on, they won't allow you to change the date. They will assume the date will adjust itself when you connect to the internet. It will adjust itself automatically. But if you're not going to be using internet for a while, you can just switch this off. Then you go to the change button. When you switch this off, the change button will become active. Then you click on it, change. Now we're going to set the correct month, let's say September. Then you scroll down to the correct year, let's say 2025. Then you also scroll down to the correct day of the month, let me leave it at 1st September. And then you come here to time. Now time it is 12, and then a minute's 22 past noon. Yeah. Then after that you say change. Now it has changed. Then one more thing to do, time zone. Time zone is important because if you're in the wrong time zone here, your clock may not run properly. It may run based on people in United States or Asia, but we are in Uganda. And because we don't have Uganda or Kampala anywhere here, you just look for Nairobi. Anything closest to Kampala. And Nairobi is the closest. There isn't any other place closer to Kampala than Nairobi. And we use about the same time zone with Nairobi. People in Kenya and Uganda have about the same time. We're going to choose this one. If you are in a wrong place, you scroll until you find Nairobi and then you click on it. So those are the three things. Turn off these buttons, change, then you come and also change the time zone. And it's done. That's how we change time. So you can close this and then your time will be fine and even your calendar will be fine. That is it. Thank you.